Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing power and connections so you avoid shorts and noise. Turn the amplifier power off and disconnect mains. This protects you and the gear. Verify the Bluetooth module's required voltage. Some modules need 5V, others 12V, and use the proper regulator or adapter. Once done, collect jumper wires and RCA or 3.5 patch cable and insulated connectors. Make sure wires are tinned or crimped for a clean contact. This prevents bad joints and hum later on. Now wire the audio and power paths precisely. Connect the Bluetooth module's left and right outputs to the amplifier's input using a short RCA or 3.5 cable. Keep cables away from power wiring to reduce interference. Make sure the module ground and amplifier ground share a solid common point. This prevents hum from ground loops. Attach the module VCC to the appropriate regulated supply and ground to chassis. For cleaner transient response and noise suppression, add a 470 microfarad capacitor across the module power pins. Finish by pairing, testing, and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. Power on the amplifier and put the Bluetooth module into pairing mode. Connect from your phone and play a test track at low volume. Raise volume slowly while listening for both channels and any distortion. This confirms correct wiring and gain staging. If you get no sound or excessive noise, check the shared ground connection, verify the amplifier input selection and mute state, and inspect the module LED to confirm it's paired and powered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.